TV. This week we'll be looking at the flower stick. Beginning at the beginning, level 1. You will need a flower stick. You can make these using bicycle inner tube, wrapping and getting some balsa wood. There are also things called devil sticks which are quite similar and same, just a bit more tricky when you're starting. So find yourself sticks. So level 1, the first thing we're going to learn is the thumb start. We've been blessed with thumbs, and simply holding your flower stick like this and like this, and you're already locked in. Unleash your thumbs, bing, and then roll back. Thumb start. We're now obviously doing the arm rolls, but now see if you can go all the way up to your chin. Do it on the side like this, all the way up to your chin, and then roll down. See if you can do that. I'll do it from the front. Maybe you could experiment with putting it on your chin and rolling it down your chest. So that little thing. Excellent. Next trick for level 1 is a bit more of a challenge. We're going to try to balance the stick on our head. Watch out for your propeller. Find a balance point. Excellent. Alright, now try walking around the space. Try some funny walks. Try with your eyes closed. Try going backwards. Try doing a little dance. And achoo! P. Alright, this one is a bit more balanced. We're starting the thumb start, holding the sticks like this, and you're going to bounce your knee. Bring the knee up, and you bounce the stick on it. So you're bringing your knee up and the sticks down at the same time. Like that. So I'm bringing my arms down and my knee up. If you bounce it straight, still go straight. Try it with both legs. If you bounce it to the side, off center, it will flip. Straight, point, to the side, point. A little bit out of control that one. Yeah, so experiment with both legs and to the sides. Woo! Knee bounce. Excellent. So the next one is very similar to that arm roll. We're rolling it up to our chin. But instead of rolling it down, we're just going to drop it down. You look a bit funny right now. Yes, you do. One. Okay. So I'll show it from the side perhaps. Rolling it up. Lock it with your chin and drop it. Alright, we're cruising with level 1. Now, the last trick is a straight toss. Holding it here. Actually get more control near the end of the stick. Okay? So try and get it towards the end. And it's going to try and throw the stick straight up. Bing. You can make sound effects if you like. Woohoo! Whee! And then see how high you can go. But try and keep it straight, alright? Great. So, more control. This end. So try and even get it to that point before we start. Straight go. Then you can try mixing all those things together. Rolls. Straight throw. Knee bounce. Head bouncing. Achoo. Rolls. Timber. Straight throw. Catch. That is level 1, my friends.